all the grass here. Okay. Whiskey 10 traffic Cessna 152 Lima Tango. We are 16 taking a short field takeoff and Whiskey 10. Speed is 40, 40. 50. Wow. It's pretty intense.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that.
Whiskey 10, Cessna 152 Lima Tango, upwind, runway 16, and we're gonna stay in the pattern for another one, landing 34, Whiskey 10. Whiskey 10, Cessna 152 Lima Tango, turning left, crosswind, runway 16, Whiskey 10. I had the carburetor heat on during takeoff. No good. You know, I make this carburetor heat on right now because I am cautious about ice right now. I had this experience in
Argentina?
Argentina with ice.
Oh, okay.
Have you seen that? Whiskey 10, traffic Cessna 152 Lima Tango, about to cross your midfield at 1,200 and enter left downwind for 34, full stop, Whiskey 10. The 150s are prone to ice, a lot of that. There is a lot of that.
Swanson Field, medevac life flight 7, 4 miles to the south, 2,900 feet. You passing just to the east of the field at Swanson.
Whiskey 10 traffic, Cessna 152 Lima Tango, crossing midfield and entering left, downwind 34, full stop, Whiskey 10. Hey, what do you think about my radios now? I'm the master of the radio.
Yeah, you are master of the radio. How do you even see the airfield?
I know where it is. There's a smoke there, that's them.
Oh.
Whiskey 10, Cessna 152 Lima Tango, downwind 34, turning base, 34, full stop, Whiskey 10. Heat on. Yeah, you have to guide yourself with whatever.
Field, medevac life flight 7 is a half mile to the southeast, 2,900 feet, passing just to the east. Swanson Field.
You're using the runway center line?
Yeah.
Nice.
Whiskey 10, Cessna 152 Lima Tango, turning final, 34, full stop, Whiskey 10. $70 knots. Okay. 30 degrees. Okay, we take off and we go back to Paine.
Sounds good.
Oh, I didn't know that I was going to, you know, do all these, doing all these things. All these landings here. Whiskey 10 is
Good practice.
an amazing place to come here and challenge your
if
skills.
you can thread this needle, you can thread almost anything.
Whatever needle, yes. That smoke, see?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of clues you know that sometimes it's not easy to focus on trying to find out.
Right.
Repeat on. Okay, gonna high. The airplane here performs amazing because all this cold makes the air so dense that everything works better. The blade takes more, you know.
Yeah.
The engine intakes is the oxygen in the volume of intake is richer, and the wings lift more.
Yeah.
Everything works better.
Yeah, I can't imagine flying out of here on a warm day.
I know. Yeah, you keep always here a little bit of carrier heat.
Sure.
Because you never know. Okay.